Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check who visited your Instagram profile. So actually there's no like direct way of checking who really visited and showing their profiles, but this is what we can do, tapping the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner of your phone, and you can actually check under your account privacy whether it is in private or in a professional mode. So make sure that it is in a professional mode so that you will be able to allow everyone to visit and see your profile. So let's just go back in there because we don't want this to be a private account, and just look for your activity. Also, you can see your interactions, just like your likes, comments, tags, and other responses, to be able to check on each pictures or videos or reels that you have on who are the people who viewed it and liked your post. So for example, this one, and we can just see, we
Experience,
can tap
may bisag
all,
bilang ako
all over
diri sa
here. We
Davao
can
karon pa jud
see
ko
the people
maka-try
who liked
kay na
or who
birthday
visited
promotion medyo pricey.
your account. So another way is also like going to your highlights from your stories, and then you can just check in there the people who viewed your accounts. So I hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.